Hi friends, welcome back to my channel You Can Love Chemistry. Today we are going to discuss about the nomenclature of bicyclic Spiro compounds. Okay, then Spiro compounds. Some points we have to keep in mind in the nomenclature of bicyclic Spiro compounds is one of the point is we use the prefix Spiro in the naming system for the Spiro compounds. And the second point we have to keep in mind that the parent hydrocarbon is chosen by counting the total number of carbon atoms in both the ring system. Here we have one example of a Spiro compound. This is an example of a Spiro compound. This carbon is called the spirocarbon, and the parent hydrocarbon is chosen by counting the total number of carbon atoms present in both the rings. Okay. Then numbering of these compounds is quite different from that of bicycloalkanes because here the numbering begins from the ring atom next to the Spiro atom. That is, this is the Spiro atom and the numbering starts next to the Spiro atom and first proceeding around the smaller ring and then to the Spiro atom and finally around the larger ring. This is the way we number a bicyclic Spiro compound. And third point we have to keep in mind that the number within the brackets are arranged in the increasing order of their size. That is also quite different from that of bicycloalkanes. There we use or the numbers are arranged in the decreasing order of their size. But in the case of Spiro compounds, the numbers are arranged in the brackets in the increasing order of their size. Example here. Okay, this is the spirocarbon atoms. First numbering starts from the smaller rings, then it goes to the Spiro atom and then to the larger ring. That is the way through we given numbers to this particular compound. So look at the numbering pattern. That is, we first give a number to this one. This is the second, then to the Spiro carbon, then to the larger ring. Okay. So there is presence of 7 carbon atoms. So the root word for this particular compound is heptane, and we can put in bracket the number of carbon atoms in between the Spiro atom. Okay. Here the number within the brackets are arranged in the increasing order of their size. So first priority goes to the ring having smaller number of carbon atoms. Okay, so the first priority goes to this particular ring. There is a presence of 2 carbon atoms. So put it 2, then dot. Again consider this ring system. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atoms. Okay, and add the prefix Spiro. So name of this particular compound is Spiro 2,4-heptane. Consider another example having alkenic part. This is another example. Here we can see that this is a Spiro atom. So numbering begins from the smaller ring to the larger ring. First priority is given to this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we can see that the presence of 7 carbon atoms. So the root word is hept. Okay, and here presence of 2 double bonds. For the presence of double bonds we use the alkene as the root word. ene as the word we use. Here the presence of 2 double bonds, so it is hepta diene, that is the parent atom, and we have to mention how many carbon atoms present in each of the ring in bracket. So in the bracket we can write here 2 carbon atoms, then 2, here 1 2 3 4 carbon atoms. The prefix Spiro is put here. Then the ring is heptadiene, hepta, and we have to mention in which carbon atom the double bonds are present. So here we can see that the double bond start at the carbon 4, and moving to the 6th carbon we can see another double bond. So we have to mention that 2 double bonds in the name. So the name become hepta 4 6 diene. This is the name of this compound. Consider another example. Okay, here we can see that this is a 6-membered ring, where this is a 5-membered ring. This is a spirocarbon. Here therefore the numbering starts from the smaller ring. Therefore the numbering is like this: 1 2 3 4 5, and here we have to consider the presence of functionalities. So the next number is given to those sites having functional groups or any other substituent. So the 6th number is given to this carbon. Okay, 9 10. So here the presence of 10 carbon atom, therefore the parent chain is decane. Okay, and we can see that a ketonic group is present in the 6th carbon. So in such cases the parent chain name changes to what? Decanone. How we use a secondary suffix in the presence of functionalities we have already discussed in the previous class. I will give link of that class in the description box. So coming into this problem, so this is the parent name, and the name of this compound is, we use the prefix Spiro as in front of the name, and we can see that how many carbon atoms in this particular ring: 1 2 3 4 carbon atoms. Okay, then how many carbon atoms in this ring? 1 2 3 4 5 carbon atoms. So this is the number that we have to put inside this bracket. Then decane. Here we can put the name as decane, but we have to mention at which carbon the functionalities are present. Okay, so we have to mention that in name. The 6th carbon is here in the carbonyl group, so the name become decane 6 1. Okay, this is the name of this particular compound. I hope you understood this section, I mean the nomenclature of bicyclic Spiro compounds. Then please comment your opinions about the class, and any doubts you have, you can comment in the comment box section, and we will see in the next class. Please do subscribe my channel, like my video. Thank you.